Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sound on like CapCut templates. So go to templates here or select templates from here, and I'm just going to select the one that I've edited. Select it, select export, and select save and share to TikTok. You can also do it by saving the video first. Technically, this already saves your video, and you can open it again on CapCut, delete the audio, and add in the audio you want, but this is just way more simple. So here, press add a sound, uncheck the original sound, and add in the song you want. So just click it, select volume, and make sure the original sound is at a 0. And press done, press next, and you can just post that. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!